hundreds of dollars on QA certifications that recruiters are starting to ignore. In 2026, a digital badge doesn't prove you can handle a high-pressure production environment, but a public pull request does. I'm going to show you how to build a verifiable audit trail in global open-source repositories in under 30 days. If you're tired of studying for exams that don't get you hired, this video is your exit plan. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why your certification might actually be hurting you. In 2026, recruitment AI filters out generic credentials in favor of verifiable GitHub activity. Why? Because saturation has created a signal-to-noise problem. Hiring managers see dozens of applicants with the same software testing certificate. None of it proves you can navigate a messy real-world code base. A course is passive consumption. Open source is active problem-solving. Think about it. When you pass a certification exam, you're memorizing answers. When you contribute to open source, you're debugging someone's production code under pressure. That's the difference between knowing testing and being a tester. The proof gap is real. Certifications tell recruiters what you say you know. Open source shows them what you actually did. Now, where do you start? Not every open source project is worth your time. You need high-velocity projects aligned with modern tech stacks, decentralized infrastructure, edge computing, AI tools, playwright automation. Here's your filter. Search for projects with help wanted labels on issues related to testing. Look for recent pull requests. If the last PR was 6 months ago, the project is dead. Evaluate project health by checking how many open issues. Are maintainers responding? Is there a CI/CD pipeline? You want projects where QA is desperately needed but under-resourced. Avoid simple typo fixes. Those don't prove rigor. Target deep logic testing, regression identification, edge cases that break production. That's what makes you indispensable. This is where most people fail. They find a bug and just say, hey, this breaks. That's not QA. That's noise. Professional bug reports include reproducible scripts, environment containers, and observability logs. Your comment thread is permanently indexed. Recruiters will read it. Show technical communication. Show collaborative debugging. That's your public audit trail. Now go beyond finding bugs. Submit pull requests that provide the permanent fix and a regression suite. Use Playwright, Selenium, or Cypress. Your PR should say, I found this, I fixed it, and I prevented it from happening again. That's not just contribution. That's proof you think like a senior engineer. Stop sending static resumes. Build a dynamic dashboard that visualizes your contribution history across global repositories. Tools like GitHub metrics, Contributor, or even a simple Notion page can link your PRs to job competencies. Write post-mortem blog posts or LinkedIn deep dives explaining the why behind your complex catches. Here's why this edge case broke production and how I prevented it. Link your PRs directly to senior QA job descriptions. If a job asks for API testing, show your PR that tested an API. If they want regression suites, show your test framework. That's competence you can't fake. This is the master move. Transition from contributor to maintainer. Review other developers' PRs. Provide high-quality feedback. Consistently. That's how you become trusted. Core maintainers notice consistent contributors. They refer you to high-paying roles based on verified output. These are silent interviews, no application, no interview loop. They just say, we need you. Come work with us. Every GitHub commit is a permanent credential that appreciates in value as the project grows. 5 years later, that PR still proves you solved that problem. A certification expires. Your open source evidence doesn't. Here's your 30-day action plan. Pick one high-velocity project, submit one professional bug report, fix it with a PR plus regression suite, document it on your portfolio. Builds reputation. Stop chasing certifications. Start documenting open source QA contributions. Your next job offer is waiting in a pull request. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more QA and testing content.